I only lied once, but it cost me everything. My name is Ardi, and this is my story. It started with something small, very small. I was late to work, again. My boss looked at me, serious, quiet. "Why are you late, Ardi?" My heart beat fast, very fast. I could tell the truth. I overslept, but I didn't. I smiled. "Traffic was terrible, sir." He nodded. "All right." That was it. No problem. No punishment. I felt relieved. And in that moment, I learned something dangerous. Lying works. The next day, I was late again. This time, I didn't even think. "Traffic again?" he asked. "Yes, sir." He looked at me. A bit longer this time. But he said nothing. Days passed. My lies became easier, smoother, cleaner. Sometimes traffic, sometimes a sick relative, sometimes anything. I even started to enjoy it. No consequences, I thought. I'm smart. One day, something changed. There was a big project, very important. My boss trusted me. "Ardi, I need this report by tomorrow." I smiled confidently. "Of course, sir." But I didn't finish it. I was tired, lazy, distracted. So the next morning, I did it again. "I emailed it last night," I said. My boss checked his computer. Silence. No email. My throat went dry. "Maybe system error?" He nodded slowly. "Send it again." I went back to my desk. My hands were shaking. I didn't have the report, not even half. So I rushed, fast, messy. Hours later, I sent it. In the afternoon, he called me. "Come to my office." My legs felt heavy, very heavy. He looked at me, straight into my eyes. "Ardi, this report is incomplete." Silence. "And I checked the system." My heart stopped. There was no email last night. I tried to speak, but nothing came out. "Tell me the truth," he said. Just 4 words, simple, but heavy. This was my moment, to tell the truth, to fix everything. But I was scared, very scared. So I did the worst thing. I lied again. I sent it, sir." "Maybe the system stop." His voice was firm, sharp. I froze. "I gave you many chances." Silence filled the room. You were late. You made excuses. And now, this. He sighed. I don't trust you anymore. Those words hurt more than anything. Not angry, not shouting, just disappointment. I'm sorry, sir, I whispered. But it was too late. A week later, I lost my job. At home, I sat alone, quiet, no noise, no distractions. Just me and my thoughts. I only lied once, I told myself. But that wasn't true. It started with one lie, but it didn't stop there.
One lie became two. Two became 10. 10 became a habit. And that habit destroyed everything. I lost my job. I lost my boss's trust. And worst of all, I lost trust in myself. You see, a lie is not just a lie. It is a seed, a small seed. But if you keep planting it, it grows. Bigger, darker, until one day, it takes over your life. Truth is hard, sometimes painful. But lies, they are easy at first, and expensive in the end. Now, I choose differently, even when it's uncomfortable, even when I'm afraid. I choose the truth. Because I learned something. The cost of a lie is always higher than the price of honesty. So tell me, have you ever told a small lie that became a big problem? Comment below. Let's learn together.